Good morning, dear students. We have read chapter 4 verbs, and today we will do exercise of this. Pick out the verbs in the following sentences. It means in these sentences verbs has given and we have to find out. First one, the dog barked at the thief. So in this sentence the dog is a subject and the thief is object. Okay, and what is verb? So barked is the verb. Okay, and it is also past indefinite tense. Second one, the sun sets in the west. In this sentence sets is the verb. Okay, and it is present indefinite tense. Third one, the peon rings the bell. So the peon is subject, the bell is object, and what is the verb? Rings is the verb, and the peon is the singular person, and with the singular and third person we always use s and es with the verb. Fourth one, the stars are shining in the sky. So which is the verb? Shining is the verb, and this is present continuous tense. Fifth one, the teacher will give us a lesson. So give is verb. Sixth one, my aunt drove the car along the road. So which is the verb? Drove is the verb, and it is second form of the drive. 7. Children should obey their parents. So verb is obey. 8.1. The girls are swinging in the park. So swinging is the verb. Next one, the hunter shoot the lion. So answer is shoot. Last one, the boys will play in the park tomorrow. So which is the verb? In this sentence, play is the verb. Let's see next exercise. Choose the right word from those in the brackets and underline it. It means in these sentences, 3 words have given and we have to pick correct one. First one, the bell talks, rings and dances. So very simple. The answer is the bell rings. Second one, ships float, swim, sail across. So answer will be ships sails across. Okay. Now third one, birds break, pant, build nests. Answer is birds build nests. Fourth one, aeroplanes run, walk, fly very fast. Very easy. Aeroplane fly very fast. Fifth one, the man is drinking, smoking, blowing a cigarette. So correct answer is the man is smoking a cigarette. Sixth one, the camel can give, take, carry a heavy load. So answer is the camel can carry a heavy load. Seventh one, Tom is running, climbing, walking a tree. So correct answer is Tom is climbing a tree. Next one, the woman is painting, sweeping, building the floor with a broom. Now think which is the correct option. So correct answer is the woman is sweeping the floor with a broom. Now let's see next one. My paper boat swam, flowed down the stream. So correct answer is my paper floated down the stream. Last one, rivers swim, flow into the sea. So answer is rivers flow into the sea. Next one, exercise 18. Choose from list B the verb of opposite meaning in list A. The first one has been done for you. It means in this exercise, two column has given A and B1, and many verbs have written in these columns. So we have to match correct one. So you can see now, first one give, and give opposite verb is take. Second one is begin. So begin opposite is finish. Next one rise, and rise opposite is set. Fourth one is leave, and answer is die. Fifth one arrive, and answer is leave. Sixth one lose, and opposite word is find. Seventh one is remember, and opposite word is forget. Eighth one is work, and its opposite play. Ninth one catch, and catch opposite is throw. Last one is follow, and follow opposite is lead. We have completed this chapter, and your homework is that you will write 5 sentences of each exercise. Okay, and stay home, stay safe, have a nice day, goodbye.